at I Wear the Crowns on Twitter. And what I'm doing today is I am doing a walkthrough. I'm doing the activities in the Minecraft education Python activities in the computer science subject kit that are available right in game. So I am currently on activity 3 of lesson 4, which works with lists. So we are at activity 2. We just finished 1 in the last video. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit next in the tutorial, see what the next task is. So what we need to do here is we need to sort the list of cat names alphabetically using the sort method. Then change the value inside the say command so it displays the 4th name in the list. Then press the select a cat button and choose the cat shown in the chat. So that's going to be at that board in the back of the room with the button. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to step 2. Remember, hashtags comment out our code. So this line of code is being ignored by the computer because it starts with a hashtag. I'm going to click at the end. I'm leaving all the comments so that I know what the task was. So what we have to do is we're going to use a method, right? We're going to use the sort method. So remember, the structure of that code starts with the variable name. So this list is called cat names, and we bring up the methods or procedures with a dot. So I'm going to say dot, and I'm going to see that one of the items here is sort. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. So I am hoping that that is enough to sort this list. And then what I want to do is I want to have the player say the 4th name in the list. So remember, every list is indexed, and all the index starts with 0. So if we want the 4th, it's going to be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So that would be 4 things, and I kind of did that visually wrong, but 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th item is going to be index number 3. That's what I meant to do. So let's go ahead and change that on our last line of code. Player say, cat names, we're going to say index at index 3. Okay, so I'm going to shrink my code builder screen. I'm going to hit play to compile the code. I'm going to look in the top left of my screen, and player said Sammy. And let's just go ahead and look at the names. So if we look at the cat names, they're not in any order, but if we were to put them in alphabetical order, Oreo would be first, Patch would be second, Princess would be third, Sammy's fourth. Shadow would be 5th, because now we have a new item in here, and Smokey would be 6th. So Sammy looks like it's correct. Let's go ahead and check our work on the task board here. What cat is the position? It's Sammy. Yes? No? No, it's not. So it does not think that it should be Sammy. What should it be? Let's see. I don't know. Let's go ahead and look at the hint. Remember that list positions start from 0. So yeah, that's the 4th name. I feel like it should still be that. Okay. No. Could we get a hint? Sammy is the cat. Maybe I waited too long. Nope. It's saying no way. Okay, so I don't know if that's a for real, if that's right or wrong. So that's interesting. Okay. Let's double check and see if we then change the value inside the say command so it says the 4th. So I sorted the names. I mean, the names would be, if we didn't sort, okay, so let's actually let's comment this out. Okay, cat name sort, and I'll tab it, I'll indent it so that we know that that's part of that. Okay, so right now, if we don't sort this, we should say, let's say 0 would be Smokey. can I say all of the cat names? Oh, no, I can't. Let's see. No, it wants a name. So 0 should be Smokey. Okay, so let's go back to C. 1 is going to be Oreo. Yup. Okay, so this is unsorted. So let's, and then we'll do 3. Wait, third item, fourth name in the list. That's 2. That ought to be, I forgot, Sammy. So Sammy is now, whoops, what is going on? So I'm going to put the sort back. I'm going to uncomment that. Oh, make it real. Okay, sort. So you know what else you can do? Sometimes when you're trying to troubleshoot, you can also, you can make additional output statements, right? So it's like, all right, well, this isn't going to impact the code, but it helps me see what's happening. So I have 1, 2, 3, 6 things. So I'm going to do one more. So all I've done is I've copied and pasted this code. I added the sort, and what I'm doing is I want the player to say all of the cat names. So I can see that they're actually in order. I mean, I think that Sammy should be third or fourth in the list. So let's try that out. So we should see on the left side, these are all the cat's names and they are sorted. So the fourth item should be Sammy. Okay. I don't know. We said them all. Let's just see. I don't know why that's not working. What cat is now in list position 3? And it was Sammy, but it's not saying that we're correct. Maybe it's a glitch. I don't know. Let's go back. Oh, actually, I don't have to look at the cats to do that. I can do C. I can indent and do that. And then I'll just copy those things. I only want, whoops, tab. Tab, right? I don't know if anybody else has to think out loud to get their stuff done. All right, cat names 3. That's what I think it is. Sammy should come up on the left or not. There she is. Right click. Nope, I think it's a glitch. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and we'll go to the next the next task in the tutorial. And we'll do that. I'll stop this video and then we'll do it on the next one. I think it's a glitch.